NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 10. The point which lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points A, -2, -5 and B, 2, 5 is option A, 0, 0, option B, 0, 2, option C, 2, 0 or option D, -2, 0. Let us find the answer. We are given 2 points. A is equal to -2, -5. B is equal to 2, 5. And a perpendicular bisector is the line that passes through midpoint of AB and is perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular meaning it is perpendicular to the line segment joining AB, and bisector meaning it bisects the line segment equally, which means it divides the line segment into two equal parts. Now let us assume a point P, x, y on this perpendicular bisector. And by definition, the distance from this point to point A or point B is equal, which means PA is equal to PB. Now we have to find a point P from the options that satisfy PA is equal to PB. Let us start with option A, which is P is equal to 0, 0. The distance between the points P and A is root over, distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here point 0, 0 is x1 y1 and point A -2, -5 is x2 y2. Let us substitute these values in the formula. Root over x2 is -2 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is -5 minus y1 is 0 whole square, that is equal to root over 2 square plus 5 square, which is equal to root over 4 plus 25 root over 29. Now let us find the distance PB, which is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where P 0, 0 is the x1 y1 and B 2, 5 is the x2 y2. Let us substitute these values in the formula. That is equal to root over x2 is 2 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is 0 whole square, that is equal to root over 2 square plus 5 square, that is equal to root over 4 plus 25 is 29. From the values that we have found, PA is equal to root over 29 and PB is equal to root over 29. PA is equal to PB. Therefore, option A, origin 0, 0 lies on the perpendicular bisector of the points joining A, B. Therefore, option A is the right answer. Since we have found the right answer, there is no need to check for the rest of the options.